currently our first subject and nagsusulat may instructor namin sa harap and kakasimula lang ng klase. So, ayan, hindi na ako nakapagpag kanina. Gumuboyong lang tayo. Magsusulat tayo. I'm gonna use my tripod.
The day is one, sunny dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away.
Hi, Dance! How was the practical? Hindi ko na videohan, sayang.
Sakit sa ulo. Kanina nag-discuss pa siya. Ano yung sabi ni Dens?
Tama na, okay
Tama
na to?
tayo.
Saan
Tigil
sinabi mo okay na to?
Sabi mo? Tigil na natin to.
Ikaw, anong film mo? Nakita niyo ba si Bea kanina?
Ano?
Gagi, di mo nakita si Bea kanina, shooter. Sabi niya, pesto pa siya sa gitna. Sabi ko, ba't di ka umuurog? Nung pala gumanon. Shoot eh.
Si Jamay din sa gitna, kaso lang dito mababa sa board.
Ang aga, pumasok.
Grabe talaga yung meaning ng tugtog na yun. Tara.
Hello, good morning. It's 8:30? 8:30 ng umaga. May pasok kami ng 9 a.m.
to
11 a.m. Wait na magta-tripod ako. Tama ba yung my country is a speaking English zone? Yun.
Ni Joel Malabanan.
Pinakinggan namin yun, tapos pinasulat kami ng reaction paper. Bakit?
Hindi po sapat yung one page.
Hindi sapat yung one page kasi 6 minutes halos yung yung kanta. Siyempre, ang daming opinion ng mga psych student.
Student.
Tapos may indention pa. Meron pang margin. Kaya unlimited lang ng sulat mo. Dapat pala ginawa ko sa isang line na gano'n.
Dalawa?
Oo.
Pinagkasya mo, no?
Ganon. Bupasa ako FS ngayon. Sobrang busy talaga ngayon sa orgte. Alam mo yung resibo na parang 600 na resibo yung inulit namin. Kita mo ba yung dala-dala ko nung nakaraan? Yung maraming notes.
Kulang
Yun
na lang may
yun.
makabump ka tapos may tutulong sa yung
Ayun yun.
mag-ayos nun.
Yun yung 600 na resibo na inayos namin ni Emma.
Kapal na ay, grabe.
Oh, di mo alam, vlogger, student leader,
Worker.
tapos, ayun,
Ending
working
yan,
student din.
Ending yan, patient.
Feeling ko magkaka-hit index to.
Ano no?
Ang init lamig.
Tapos yung ilang buwan na naman walang pasok.
Bring a smile to me like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. The counter fades a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling.
We're in the middle of the class and look, ako lang naka-microphone kasi hindi ko naman yung feed ko. Sobrang busy ko magbasa kahapon at gumawa ng notes. Nakalimutan ko maglaba ng PE and look, super 8 ng heat index na. Hi, we're done na with our first subject. Meron pang dalawa. Mamaya pang 3 yung una. And punta kami ngayon sa SM. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, but here we are. Let's go. So, nasa SMB kami. Dito kami kumain. And, may 3 hours vacant kasi doon. And we're on the way na to school. Dito, di ba? Kasi, meron pa kami 2 subject. And as what I said earlier, wala akong PE. So, magpapalit pa ako ng damit mamaya. O yun pa, lakas ng loob, naka-white pa siya. Kumain kami sa food court sa taas. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi daming chismis na isa dyan. Balik na kami. Hi guys. So, it's our free time. Naghaharatan sila. And it's 5:09 and I'm currently playing Black Blast and PE namin ngayon talaga. Kaso may event kasi ngayon sa court. So technically siguro magde-demo lang ngayon si ma'am. Kaya iniintay na lang namin siya ngayon. Tingnan mo tong dalawang to. Nagsa-sightseeing sila ng mga nagte-take 1 doon sa labas. Natawag talaga. Kala mo ah. What's in my bag tayo?
Okay.
What's in your bag?
This is my bag. It's a tote bag. And then,
Puro kalat na sa loob.
I have big bag with brown na makalat ang notes. Don't judge me. And, anik-anik.
Ano yung anik-anik?
Nakakayawit lang. Ayan. Mga ano lang. Di ba, walang ballpen pero may pangpaganda. Next, ito, nalala ko din. Mga make-up.
Makeup ulit. Makeup pero may periodic
May
table.
periodic table. Tapos,
What else?
I have, nakabili ko lang nito eh. Pero nabuksan ko na. Ano siya? 2025 book planner.
Ay, di mo kaya planner.
Ayan. Diary.
Open nga.
Ayan lang. Wala pa nakasulat pero may nakasulat ako iba yan.
May diary si Buddy.
Ayan. Tapos, Victoria's Secret. Tapos ito, lip gloss. Powder na may salamin. Tapos, cellphone. Yun na, wala na. Pag niyo nang tingnan yung kalat ko, may wallet pa pala ako. Pag niyo nang tingnan
Mo, sa planner mo, anong ilalagay mo?
Hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko na pa alam.
March na, wala pa rin siyang plano kung ano yung ano niya.
Ay, residensyo, ang daming gamit yan. Parang yung si ano eh, Doraemon.
My coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and in the sweet moments, just being me.
Lahat na ang gulo tinignan eh. Kanina, pagkarating ko, sa sobrang like, ang init eh. Kasi nga heat index na. Naulog ko to! Nagkad eh. Tagot ako kay mama. I wanna go. Ay. Ha? Bakit? Sige na nga what's in my bag? Okay. What's in my bag? First is my sunglass. Dahil minsan, hindi kinakaya ng mata ko.
Ay, mama!
Hindi kinakaya ng mata ko yung init, so we're gonna use this. But since hapon na, hindi na natin kailangan yan. Power bank. Ang voodoo ko. na super inay. Towel kasi pag papawisan tayo. Payong,
Na hindi niya ginagamit.
may AirPods, may lipstick. Ito lang yung bukod tangan kong makeup, hindi ko tulad nito. May alcohol, may water. This is for the coins and this is for the big monies. Yung baong ko kanina. And yung baong kong damit. Ito. I have this. Di ko alam ano yan. Pero yung nasa loob niya is herbal. And some Rios.
May TF ako dito.
Cover for yellow pad and black.
Yeah, wala kayo nakita ganyan sa kasi dito nag-aaral. Secretary. Ang dami po.
Pantatak ko with my name and resibo ng SMS. And tambura.
Kaya ang sipag mo naman mag-aaral.
And lastly, some bubble gum.
Uy, pwede ito.
Hi guys, it's Saturday. We have two subjects today. Kasi dinistract ako nito, may dinire-recommend kasi akong book sa kanya. Grabe, ang init. Alam mo, actually makulimlim. Wala ng araw, may ilong. Diba?
The quiet laugh, the softest breeze. The world's at peace in moments like these.
Nakalimutan ko ba yung payong?
Letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything slows down, it's the perfect.
Magre-review na. Ang dami kong sinend na PDF. Wala man lang, di mo binuksan ni isa.
Slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new. And all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time, I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place. In the warmth of the sun, with a smile on my face. Morning's done, the day is won. Sun dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's glow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin.
I don't know if this is set in right, but it's our biochem and reporting ngayon ng isang group namin. 4 groups total.
I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. And counting.
Ililibig ko yung puso ko, bakit? Hindi, totoo talaga. Ikaw talaga yung paglalamayan ko mamaya. Tingnan mo. Baka na ang bulan.
These, I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the time slips away.